Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these cute and easy rose nails. So the last that I did on her was the ornament nails, so I will insert a picture of her nails 3 weeks grown out. So what I did was took off the color and then I filled them, so here is her new set all ready to go for a new color. So we're going to start off by using my favorite white. This one is from Madam Glam, Perfect White. So we will be doing the pinky and the pointer finger in the white, and you will see me go back and forth between both hands. And I will insert our inspiration picture here. This is the picture she wanted to do. The next color we're going to use is navy blue, again from Madam Glam. And we're going to put this on her ring finger as well as her thumb. And next we're going to go in with It's Not You, It's Me from Madam Glam. This one I'm going to use as my gold base for the gold glitter on her middle finger. So we're going to go back in and do a second coat of all of the colors. And for the gold glitter, I am going to be using Light Elegance's Dreaming of Dubai. This one came out in their winter collection, and I definitely think this is going to be a staple for this year. So here's what the nails look like with all of the color down, and now we're going to go in with the art. So roses are pretty simple and easy to do. I will insert pictures of rose nails I have done before. You can see the different colors and the different patterns I've used, but same basic pattern for the rose. So I will be using my midi brush in Minty 0 to do all of the art. And for the roses, we're going to start off with Madam Glam's Amour. This one is a nice basic red color. So I go in and just make like a blob, basically is what I do to start off that rose shape. Then we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Coral Flirt. and this is what I'm going to use to start the detail work of the rose. So you do want to fully cure between each color, but I'm taking the coral and I'm creating little swirls and just little highlights on the roses. And I'm sorry, it's hard to see in some of the angles here. So after I have the pink down, I go in with that same perfect white and I create a few more highlighted spots. This really gives the rose dimension. Then for the leaves, we're going to go back in with that same navy blue color and draw in the leaves. So here's what the nails look like with the roses. They are definitely starting to come together. So for the gold striping, I'm going to be using this Dazzling Metallics Glorious Gold from DecoArt. This is just an acrylic paint. I got this from my local craft store. So I'm just going in and creating those chevrons on the navy blue nails. And so there is the design. It was super easy and fast, simple to do. Now we're going to go in with top coat. I'm going to be using the Young Nails Finish Gel. And in case anyone is interested in the Eeyore nails I have on my hand, I do have a tutorial up on that. I will leave a link in the description box down below. So here's what the finished nails look like. They're so simple and easy to do, but the set comes out looking amazing. Like, this is one of my favorite sets I think we've done on her for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!